Hey guys, I'm going to just keep doing the videos this morning. I'm going to be doing this video and then I'll probably take a break for a little bit and then I can do some more a little bit later, but just showed 3 videos for cryptocurrency, how basically 10 out of 10 winning trades. If you count the Litecoin trade that was profitable, that has 11 out of 11 winning trades using these indicators and these trade setups. I have them all on the chart here. Rise coming, drop coming indicator, support and resistance, momentum lines, Martin trend trader. Then you guys can use the stochastic trend, Martin trend meter, and then the long and short zones. They're all in the link in the description, but let's get into the analysis of EURUSD. I know a ton of you guys trade EURUSD. This is the highest liquidable currency you can trade in the entire world. Liquidity is the word I was looking for. So a lot of you guys who have huge accounts, I'm just going to close this so we can get a better view on here. Those of you who have very large accounts and you're looking to, liquidate $100,000, even $1 million, $5 million, $10 million at a single time on a trade, you're going to want to do that on EURUSD and looking for USD JPY. The liquidity on those two currency pairs is the highest in the entire world, being EURUSD being the highest. Okay, so let's get into a analysis here of what I'm looking at for basically EURUSD on the short. So you guys know that if you have the Martin trend trader, which is turning the candles green for uptrends, red for downtrends, you guys got an alert here. Actually, I'm going to show you guys exactly where this alert went off. All you have to do is come in here, go into this guy right here, the settings, go to style, move this trend line all the way to the left. You'll see exactly where the alert went off for you guys to go short. And that went off right here on the chart. Let me get a short out for us right here. Okay. And then this is a profitable exit here right at the bottom, which is on the profit point. Well, you can have one profit point right here if you would like. Let me get us out a price tool. This will give us a little bit more understanding as far as pips, because a lot of you guys talk about and no understanding pips. This is a 40.3 pip gain for that. And then let's go to a price range. We'll pull another one here. This is another profitable here on this profit point that just came out not too long ago, just a few days ago, 127 pips. Now, how do you guys calculate how much money you're actually making with this? That's what I want to go over in this video, because this is where you guys find the extreme value in the indicators. Also, really quickly, guys, if you're using the rise coming, great job on that. You guys are able to see the rises coming at the very bottom. It's a perfect call for a rise. Why is that? Because this is a red candle and this is a green candle. I'll show you guys that if I take this off. So if I take the Martin trend trader off, this will give us an idea of where the bottom is right there. It actually hardly went down at all on this candle here. Basically, we caught it at the bottom. You guys can kind of ride this up here. I would be looking at the short trade still because we are in obviously a short. Let me pull this up here and then I'll just close this. You guys can find all this in the description. I'm not going to keep them on for this just to keep it a little cleaner. So how do you calculate how much you can make trading Forex? Let me do an example for you guys because this is exciting. Some of you guys are like, I love cryptocurrency, but you're showing these Forex videos. We're making all this money. I'm like, yes, there's money can be made in both places, but here's how you make money in Forex. Let's take this example. You guys have the Martin trend trader. You got an alert because you can set them up with alerts for shorts, and you just simply got in here and you took profit. Let's just say on the first profit point. So you got in that day and got out within probably less than 48 hours, okay? Less than 48 hours with not too much drawdown at all. How do you calculate that? You simply take your lot size. So your lot size, if you guys have MetaTrader, most of you guys do, you can at the top, when you go to place an order, you'll see something that says like 0.01, or you'll see something that says you can put in like 50 cents, or you can put in like $1, okay? Those are they're basically what's called contract size or lots. Think of them as money, okay? So I'll do this. This will make it easier for you guys to think about this. I'll put dollar signs. This is easier, a lot easier. Okay? That's your lot size. What you do is you take your lot size times your movements. Times movements. How do you find movements? You come over here to the price tool. You click price. It's going to come over here and click price tool like I showed you guys. And then you're looking at this number over here, 426. You take your lot size times your movements, or what people call ticks, and sometimes you'll hear them called. This will equal how much you make. Now let's calculate this out, and I have one more other calculation we need to do. So let's take, very simple, let's go 50 cents. Let's go 50 cents times the movement. So what is that? You're going to take 426, your movements, times 50 cents, equals $213, okay? So $213. And then you have to basically just minus out your spread, which is basically, let's just go simple here. 20 movements, which is in a pip value, they're usually between 1.3 and 1.7 pips for your spread for an exchange. Let's call it 20. So 20 times What are we going to times it by? We're going to times it by the lot size. Times the lot size times 0.50 equals what? It's $10. Okay. So you basically take 213. You're going to take 213 minus $10. Okay. What's that total of? Easy math. $203 made with just simply a 50-cent lot. You guys can do that very easily with leverage. That is made within a matter of 2 days, less than 48 hours. Now, let's come in here and do this another calculation. Let's come in and look at this trade right here. 1,270. Let's do this very quickly. I'm not going to type it out, but you guys can listen. So you're going to take 1,270 times your lot size times 0.50. That's $635. Then you have to minus out your spread, which is basically, what do we say here? Spread is 20. It's going to be the same no matter how much you make, times your lot size. So we're going to minus 10. That's $625 on this move here. Okay? That is only with 50 cents. Some of you guys I know, you can go up to $1, $2, $3 accounts. So if you're doing $1, you just times that by 2, and you've made about $1,200 in that single move here by itself. That is how this can add up so incredibly fast for you guys when you're trading Forex and using the indicators and all having a strategy. If you don't have a strategy, you're not going to make money in cryptocurrency or Forex. That is why I came out with these indicators to show you guys, confidence of when the green is coming below the red here, this is a great place for a short trade. You guys can get in here and you can go short here. Ideally, you want to wait for it to come down from the top here. But if you see that you're in a good downtrend here, you can come in and go previous structure high and you can ride these down. So even at the bottom here, you're able to get about 0.6, definitely at the profit point here, about 0.36 gain on that. Or if you guys want to look at it like this, you can look at it in the pip value. You can look at an easy 60 pips. Those of you guys who know, go out online and talk to other traders. Making 60 pips in 7 days here, that's a good amount. Like, that's a really good amount. There's a weekend in there, so like 5 days. But that's a very good amount, especially depending on what type of lot size you're trading. So now, guys, all it comes down to is having a strategy that gives you guys winning trades. What is that? It's using these indicators I've got right on the chart here. So we're using the trend trader, which basically gives us all of the red candles for a short, green candles for a long. And then once you're in a long trade, you're going to get profitable. Let's take this off real quickly. So you can get in right here and you're exiting right here. Let me show you guys what this looks like. So entry to the first profit point, easy 35 pips. Next profit point, 44. You guys come out here, 3 profitable exits here, 37. So about a 35 pip average gain on that long trade. Come over here and you can show you guys this, the drop I just showed you here in another drop. I can show this on all the Forex pairs, and I have all the trader on our site for the top 10, top 10 Forex and also top 20 cryptocurrencies. So it's very easy for you guys to get in and start trading immediately with good settings and good setups. It's like, here's the coolest part. It's like coming into trading brand new. Here's my goal, to get someone brand new into trading, to start trading within 24 hours and be more profitable than about 80% of all the traders. Doesn't matter what your level is. Simply setting up alerts, taking trades into your MT4, waiting for the entry and the profit point. That's all you're doing. Or you're using this strategy down here, waiting for the green to come below the red with a red background, previous structure high, and you're just writing these trades down to 1-to-1 risk reward ratio and making those gains. It really is that simple, guys. Take a look at this trade here. Green coming below the red. Entry here, stop loss, previous structure high, an easy 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. I'll show that to you guys because you might not be able to see it if you, some of you guys are able to see this. Green come below red, you could have entered in here, or we can enter in here. Moving your stop loss to break even is a great way to trade these. You can leave your stop loss break even about right here. You would easily won this because it went down further. Even if you guys went here, right across below the red, which would have been right on this guy, you can see there's a space there that is a cross below. Previous structure high on this wick is right here. And this is easily a you probably almost get 2% out here. Yeah, you could have gotten 2% out on that trade, or a 2-to-1 is better to say, because you guys can risk, 10% of your account if you want. Or, like I said, this is what's cool about Forex is you can come in here and you can look at simply this value here of enter. Exit on the next part. Just take it for 24 hours and make 65%. That is amazing. So you guys can do that over and over again. So there you guys go. Full update for you guys on crypto and also EURUSD. Snag these indicators. They're in the link in the description. They will change your life when it comes to trading. I promise you. And then feel free to check out the testimonials on the link below the description. Just as customer testimonials. It's very encouraging. And have a great day, guys. And I'll see you on the next video. Enjoy the profits. All right. Bye-bye.